Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming ownership and gathering essentials. Log into Apple. Apple. Com with the Apple ID you think is linked. This proves control and lets you check devices. Once done, note the iPad serial or IMEI and keep the proof of purchase handy. Apple support will ask. Make sure you have a working computer or another iOS device and steady internet. This minimizes back and forth and speeds verification. As soon as paperwork and login match, you're ready to move to removal steps. You now perform the actual removal. If you can sign into iCloud, open Find iPhone, pick the iPad, and choose Remove from Account. This unpairs activation lock. If you cannot sign in, contact Apple support immediately. Provide the serial, original receipt, and a government ID so they can verify ownership. Apple will confirm details, and once approved, they clear the lock remotely. Make sure to follow any emailed instructions and allow time for propagation across Apple's system. Finish by erasing and setting up the iPad once activation lock is cleared. You should go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset, then erase all content and settings to start fresh. If the lock still shows, make sure you rechecked iCloud removal and rebooted the device. Sometimes propagation takes time. If problems persist, contact Apple support and provide the case reference and proof documents. One key troubleshooting tip. Keep receipts and support emails handy. Apple often needs them for escalation, which can take up to 7.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.